In this 5-minute beginner tap dance workout, I'm going to have your legs working hard, feeling strong, and looking good. You don't even need tap shoes, just follow along and do what I do. Make sure you watch all the way to the end because I'm going to give you one of the biggest keys to creating a consistent workout routine. You don't want to miss that. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, a professional tap teacher and choreographer, as well as a certified health coach. Are you ready to get started? Let's jump in. Oh yeah, start with those heels. Nice and easy, we're getting you warmed up. Keep it going. Put a little pressure into it. Now to your toes. Lift them high, hit them hard. We're building some shin muscle strength. Just think how good those legs are gonna look. Now to the heels faster. Yeah, now we're getting moving. And toes faster. If you're not that fast, it's okay. Just do your best. You have heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Yeah. You got it. Now faster and more. Heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we're working those legs now. Keep going. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Make you sound strong. That's how you're going to build that strength. Faster. Toe, toe, heel, heel. If you can't go fast, keep going slow. Beautiful. Now you have step, step, step with your heel in the air. Yes. Smile, you're tap dancing. Now stand. Stand, flat foot. Oh yeah, you got this. Go back to steps in 3. Step, 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 step. Yes. Heels in the air, keep them up. You got this. Woo! Now 3 stamps. Stamp, 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 stamp. Beautiful. Now mix them. Step, step, stamp, stamp, step, step, stamp. You got it. You know it's coming. Oh yeah. Faster. Here we go. Step, 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 step. Woo! Rotate. You're doing great. Yeah. Feel the burn. Now you have dig, step, dig, step, dig, step. You got it. Spice it up. We're going to do dig, dig, step, step, step. Dig, dig, step, step, step. Dig, dig, step, step, step. Dig, dig, you're doing it. Dig, dig, step, step, step. Dig, dig, and now you have plunk step. Hit the inside of the foot, and then step with your heel in the air. And fancier with plunk, plunk, step, step, step. Plunk, plunk, you got this. Plunk, plunk, step, step, step. Plunk, plunk, now you have shuffle, ball, change, ball, change. Shuffle, ball, change, ball, change. Shuffle, ball, change, ball, change. Shuffle, ball, switch right now. Shuffle, ball, change, ball, change. Yes! Now you have right foot cramp roll, step, step. Right foot cramp roll, step, step. Woo! Keep it going. 2 more. Now left side, left foot cramp roll, step, step. Keep it going now. Yeah. Build that strength. 1 more. Now you have Irish left foot, step, step. Irish right foot, step, step. Irish left foot, step, step. Irish right foot. Keep going. Woo! 2 more. And now you have left buffalo, step, step. Step, step, buffalo. Right foot. Right buffalo, step, step. Good. Keep it going. Now you have waltz clog on the right. Step, shuffle, ball, change. Step, shuffle, ball, change. Yep. Keep going now. Step, shuffle, ball, change. Step, shuffle, ball, change. 2 more. Woo! Now maxi forward. Right foot maxi forward. Right foot maxi forward. Stamp. Left foot maxi forward. Left foot maxi forward. Don't stop now. You're doing great. Almost there. Stamp. Left foot maxi forward. Left Now some heels. Just kind of cooling down. And toes. Well, there you go. Congratulations. Awesome. You made it through. That's fantastic. I hope you had a great time. If you did, be sure to click on that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And in the comments below, let me know if you thought this workout was a little too hard, just about right, or maybe just a little bit too easy. If you found it too easy, hop on over to UnitedTaps.com and click on workout. That'll get you to our 22-minute beginner workouts, a little more strenuous, and that'll be more of a challenge for you. Beautiful. As I mentioned before, I'm going to give you one of the biggest keys to creating a consistent workout routine, and that is simply to start small. So often we get a lot of energy and motivation. We say, yeah, I'm going to go to the gym for an hour a day. And that maybe lasts 2 weeks, maybe 2 days even in some cases. But we usually fizzle out when we start really big like that. If you can massively shrink down your exercise routine, make it 3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes and get consistent with that. Now, so often I'll hear people say, it's not worth it if I'm only going to do it for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Well, here's the thing. If you can't consistently work out for 3 minutes or 5 minutes a day, what are the chances you're going to work out for 30 minutes every day or an hour every day? They're not so good. But if you can establish a habit, and that's the key, establish a habit of working out, even if it's just 3 minutes every day, and you get that consistent, it's easy to grow it. Okay, I'm doing 3 minutes every day. I've been doing it for a month. Now I'm going to jump up to 5 minutes. All right, and I do that for a month. Now I'm going to jump up to 10 minutes. And you can work your way up as high as you want, but establish the consistency first with a small, easy workout routine so that you can build it up later. And that will last. That's the biggest thing. That is sustainable versus I'm just going to go out and do an hour at the gym every day. That's usually not sustainable. All right, I hope you found that helpful. If you would like to know the 3 biggest mistakes, besides that one, that people make when they are trying to create a consistent workout routine, click on that link below. I've got an excellent PDF as well as a video that will walk you through those other big mistakes. These are traps you don't want to fall into when you're trying to create that consistent workout routine. I think you're going to find it extremely valuable. So click on that link below. Check it out. Thank you again so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.